Terus kuliah. Okay.
Maybe about for 1 week. Just this week.
Inilah kamtam geleng ngaba ai kublai kerpang di tim joan dapat ni transport department ni officer. Hadin bingla depas ya ka kabinet dah kini kisni beladep kumila pemnai kini one time settlement scheme nak mentang waive of ya ka taxes of vehicle kumala brief hani ki beladep exactly ya bede berga motor vehicle taxes and good taxes kabalong din waive by proportions hak bede ber fitness in waive by 90%. Mentah kasi na long finally ka system galon ready in place. Kena bagi pai ba dungi mentah elect formally launching kamu ndu la syai. Kelak man cemat man siuno yek bai kot bai selalu gi kuming la pemnah ka bel ang si beladep.
Tikani ka jing kani ko one time settlement jung fide hato kade ye kini ki kali kiba
All commercial vehicle, big and small.
kamu duduk kat luar senam duduk kat luar senam kat
No, not from which year till date. Whatever dues has been there, so they can come and clear the dues as per the formula which has been structured by the government as per this one-time settlement scheme which have been announced already.